Hey guys, I'm Tim with Original Strength, and this week I wanted to give you a feel-good 5-minute movement routine that you can do to energize yourself for the day or for your training session. This is a great routine that you can do it every day, and it's one that requires you not to have to get down on the floor. So what we're going to do is we're going to start out with 3 big lion jawns. We're going to stretch, we're going to really open up that jaw, we're going to take that tongue, curl it around like a lion, and we're going to let out the sound. And I know it sounds silly, but if you do that, you are going to feel alert. You're going to feel good. This wakes up your body and gets your body ready to move. It tells your body, it says, hey, wake up, Johnny, it's go time. So again, we're going to do 3 of those. You just want to get a good stretch, flex a little bit, yawn really big, and let it all out. After that, we're going to bounce. In fact, if you want to, you can go anyway. You don't have to make the noise. But what we're doing is we're activating our vestibular system. We're getting our muscles loosey-goosey on the bone. We're getting in good vibration and movement throughout the whole body. The brain says, oh gosh, I can see where everything's at. I know how to move everything right now. So bouncing is cool. So it's going to activate our vestibular system. It's going to activate our body, and we're going to be like, all right, I feel like moving. From there, we're going to do big, exaggerated cross-crawl touches. These feel great, by the way. You're going to feel the connection from your armpits to your pelvis on the outside, but on the inside, you're telling your brain, hey, love you, brain. I want to connect you. I want to introduce the left hemisphere to the right hemisphere, and I want you guys to get along for the rest of your lives. It's a match made in heaven. So cross-crawls connect the brain, connect you, connect the nervous system, and they tie you together. After we do that, we're going to do Superman reaches, because these feel amazing. And you're going to love these, especially how they open you up, but we're still telling the brain we love it, and we're getting the hips and shoulders ready and primed for action. After we do the Superman reaches, we're going to do infinity circles, and we're going to add in the Stevie Wonder style with the head movement. And just for fun, we're going to add in the Stevie Wonder smile. So don't forget the Stevie style and Stevie smile. We're going to reverse directions. These are, again, great for your nervous system. They connect your torso, your center, your core. Get you ready to move. And then from there, we're going to go, if you've seen it, Karate Kid 2. We're going to go loosey-goosey arms. We're using our hips to throw our arms around. And if you've seen the movie Karate Kid 2, you know that this is the movement that saved the day, where Daniel LaRusso defeated his enemy and won his lady, his damsel in distress. Now, I'm leading with the hips. We can also lead with the eyes and head and pull the arms and hips along. We can do both. We can lead with the hips or the eyes and head. Both are good to do. After we do the Karate Kid 2, we're going to go around town with the hips while we try to keep the eyes and head level with the horizon. We're going to switch directions. This feels so good. And then we're going to take a step forward, and we're going to make knee circles. Now, these aren't just about the knee. They're about the foot, the ankle, the hip, the pelvis. Really, they're about you. These knee circles aren't just knee business. They're you business. We're going to switch directions. This is a great way to get your body ready to move, by the way. We're going to switch legs, because while we are doing circles, we don't want to walk in circles for the rest of the day. We want to be even, Steven. And again, these aren't just about the knee. These are about everything down here. After we do knee circles, just for fun, we're going to go big fingers. And we're going to go index finger to the floor, to the chest, to the sky. Keeping those fingers nice and wide, just pulls the hands open, articulates the fingers and hands. Feels pretty good. Gets your hands ready to move. It also helps make you more alert. And we're going to take the pinky fingers, we're going to reverse it. So pinkies go chest, floor, ceiling, chest, floor, ceiling. And if you do this right, you should feel some opening, stretching, lengthening sensations in your hands. And then after we do our finger circles both ways, we're going to shake that out and we're going to bounce a little bit more. And if we want, we can let our feet leave the ground. Let those muscles get loosey-goosey. Shake the muscles loose on the bone. And get ready to go to town. We are now ready. So that is a quick 5-minute movement routine you can do. Well, it's 5 minutes if you do it in 5 minutes. You can do it in 10. You can do it as long as you need to. It is a great way to energize your body, energize your mind, prep you for the rest of your day, prep you for a movement routine, or it's just a great way to give yourself some love and attention. Anyway, give that a shot. Let me know what you think. I'm Tim with Original Strength, and we'll see you next time.
To learn more, consider attending an Original Strength certification. Visit originalstrength.net to register.